Hey friends, it's Adelami from Kairos Designers. So following the Adobe acquiring Figma saga that has occurred over the past few days, I got news of a new open source alternative to Figma called Penpot. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get started on Penpot. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. If this isn't, you're welcome back. As we said in the intro, we're going to be looking at how to get started on Penpot, and it's going to be as fast as we can. So immediately we'll go to our browser. I'm using the Brave browser. Search for Penpot, Penpot. Then open this. You can see the landing page looks beautiful. This home page is really nice. Now click on sign up for free. You can use Google, GitHub or GitLab. We'll choose Google. Yeah, Kairos Designers. Full name Kairos Designers. Okay, looks like there's a problem here, but not to worry. Let's use this account. And yeah, that's basically it. Normally for others, they might ask you a number of questions. This isn't my first time using this account, but that's just basically it. You can see that it has slightly the same interface as that of Figma. So that's it on how to get started on Penpot. Next, we'll be teaching you how to open files, how to design a number of things here. So for those who are considering switching to using this open source application or this open source alternative for Figma, Penpot looks like something that will be really good for you. So watch out for our next video on this, and please subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you on the next one.